It's an honor and a privilege, sir. I honestly never in my wildest dreams would have been sitting here talking to a 5-time world champion. And thank you for that.
No, absolute pleasure. I watched a little bit of your escapades, I guess. Equally, I never thought I'd be sitting here talking to somebody with a helmet looking like Darth Vader, and at least you sound a little clearer. But no, it's an honour to come and have just a general chit-chat with somebody who loves motorcycling.
And after that, I've been riding every day since.
That's good. Enjoying it?
It's changed my life.
There you go. There you go.
No.
Amigo, dollar, how much? $3,000. Oh, very good. No, very good. Husqvarna. Why did you just stop there?
No, I was looking for map.
I love your car.
Oh, thank you.
It's really nice.
Thank you. How you been? You been good?
Yeah, not bad.
I finally caught you. I've been always looking because I get drive around there. I said, where's the RJ? Everybody says hi. I'd love to say hi there, but nice to finally get an amazingly beautiful bike.
Thank you. Cheers.
I wish you all the best.
You
Be
too.
safe, yeah?
I haven't seen an A to Z in years.
You're younger than I am.
It's good to see somebody using a map.
This is quite an old car.
Where you're heading?
I'm heading to Richmond Park.
You know how to get there?
Pretty well, but it's a long time since I've been there, which is why I found this.
Do you want to follow me?
Yeah.
I can guide you.
No, you're going a different direction. But I know I go straight on
Yeah.
and then round sort of Richmond.
Not the first roundabout you go straight.
Straight on, yeah, that's
Yeah, and
right.
then you get
go
like another
round,
roundabout, you veer left.
veer left,
Yeah,
and then you turn left.
and then you turn left, exactly.
Yeah,
You stay on the left lane.
Yeah.
That's a new car. That's a different type of car.
100% electric.
I love your car. That's the original. Fill it from the front? Oh yeah, because it's a back engine, isn't it?
This is the engine. It's the petrol, that side is the engine.
Yeah. It's fantastic. longest traffic light known to man.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? There's no activity anywhere, that's the thing.
It's incredible. Yeah. Right. Lovely bike.
Thank you. Unmistakable.
Yeah.
If you don't mind, can I have one photo, miss?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you. I'll just sit here and take picture.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Let me put the...
Sorry. No, only just this one.
No, because it has a tracker. If you move it,
Okay.
they call me and they say your bike is being stolen.
Okay.
Yeah, so put your leg over.
Okay, thank you so much. You're very kindly, man. There's another motorcycle going just about 150 yards up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
That's
Hey, we live here. She's terrified of bikes.
I love that dog, man.
It's just as nice in real life.
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate.
Cheers, man.
Unusual construction.
Did you ride?
Eh?
Did you ever ride a motorcycle?
Yes, I used to have a Vincent Blackbird.
Oh, wow.
One of the fastest motorbikes.
A Blackbird? Honda?
One time.
Oh, fantastic.
It was the first motorcycle that could do 110 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Now, of course.
Now they do them in first gear.
What?
Now they do 100 miles an hour in first gear. That's fine.
much nicer than the new one. The new one's not nice.
I don't know, they keep on changing everything, man.
Working.
Right.
Lovely to meet you. It's my favourite bike of yours.
Why? They are all the way there, right? Why is he blocking all the traffic for Her Highness to sit in a carriage and block the whole traffic in London? Send her by helicopter, man. Right?
Phone call, yes mate, that's alright, no worries. Sorry.
No problem.
I like your bike, bro.
You're very
They're
quick.
very rare. This
You're
one,
very
right?
quick on that.
Huh?
You are very quick on that.
Thank you. These are very rare.
Extremely,
I
yeah.
really like it. Are they from like, they used to be a tractor company, right? They used to be like a tractor company, right?
No, Husqvarna started in bike,
farming company or something.
but then they have a branch for chainsaws.
Ah. Are you Jordan?
I am.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where I got this bike from. I was like, I've recognized it from somewhere. I really like the bike, bro.
Cheers.
It's really nice.
That is one beautiful car.
Thank
One of the nicest ever. Don't ever sell it.
I won't.
This is gorgeous, man.
It's just been restored, so it's like
It's unbelievable.
Thank you.
I had a 635.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but this was my dream. Yeah. Alright, mate. Lovely bike. Yeah. Cheers. Yes. The best ever. But he should retire now, man. He should retire. Finish.
So nearly tempted.
Shall we race? Who do you think will win?
Oh no, I'm talking about you and the gambling just then. On the bike we'll win. What's that? Some sort of
Exactly.
toy?
No, I'm asking.
You're asking him?
Yeah.
Actually, who would win in a race?
Look at your bike. It's clearly never going faster. We have two people. So clearly yours is meant to go faster.
Who goes slowest?
And in fact,
I think what we will do now is prove your theory, whether it is right or wrong. You ready? Huh?
have a great day, sir. Enjoy your weekend.
You have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
What a pleasant surprise to have somebody wish you a great day. You wanna race? Yeah. 1300. 1.3 liter, 1300. Yeah.